Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I'm going to install this gorgeous unit from Beauty Forever Hair. They went ahead and sent me a V-part unit in 20 inches and it is in the color natural black, so 1B. It blends in with my hair really well, which is a natural black. I've never dyed my hair, so it blends really well. Loving it, and I'm loving how nice and full this unit is. Not thick at all, just full, which is perfect. And it's definitely giving your everyday sew-in look without the whole sew-in situation. So if you'd like to purchase this unit just off the rip, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And let me go ahead and stop rambling. Let's jump into today's tutorial. Okay, you guys, so this is the unit. This is what it's looking like. This is this hair from Beauty Forever Hair, and they went ahead and sent me this gorgeous V-part unit. It is in the natural color 1B, a small cap, and it is 20 inches. So if I could scoot back just a little more, you're able to see the hair in its full length. The 20 inches is definitely 20 inching right now. Honestly, I'm loving this unit. I love the fact that these units are not super thick. I love that U-part units, you can just wear them as though they are literally like a sew-in without doing the whole sew-in process. This is so easy to put on and take off, and this is definitely a staple unit for all my girls out there. Definitely get your hands on a U-part unit. I'm loving how nice and flat it is, and this is a great unit. So if you would like to purchase it off rip, or if you'd like to purchase it based on how I installed it and what it looks like right now, the links will be in the description box for you to do so, because this is one gorgeous unit. So without further ado, I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Beauty Forever for sending me this gorgeous wig. Bye guys.